अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
Inshallah, today we will start our lesson from Durusul Lughatul Arabiya. Last week we have lesson from lesson 4 and 5. Now we will start lesson 6. In this lesson, we will learn hazihi. Hazihi is the feminine of haza. Haza we use for the masculine, and hazihi we use for the feminine. Hazihi. It is pronounced hazihi, but the alif is omitted in writing. This alif we don't write, but we pronounce it. Haza waladun wa hazihi bintun. This is a boy and this is a girl. So haza for masculine and hazihi for feminine. This is a boy and this is a girl. Haza waladun wa hazihi bintun. The second thing we will learn in this lesson, how to make feminine from the masculine. Nouns and adjectives are made feminine by adding a tanis. This is tanis. So we add the tanis at the end of the noun or adjective. The last letter before the tatanis takes a fatha. So mudarrisun, mudarrisatun. We added this tatanis. And the second thing what he told, the last letter before the tatanis takes a fatha. So this is tatanis, before this is sa. So mudarrisatun. Before the tatanis, here will be fatha. Mudarrisun, teacher. Feminine teacher, mudarrisatun, lady teacher. The point I have to remember that the last letter before the tatanis takes a fatha. There are some more examples. Certain nouns have a separate form of feminines. Ibnun have bintun, akhun, ukhtun. There are few nouns, they have separate kind of the feminine. We cannot put their tatanis. They have their own feminine. We will write them what they are. Bintun. So it will be bintun. We cannot say ibnatun. Ibnatun will be wrong. So there are the different feminine and different masculine. There are few words in Arabic. Second, the another thing, for the feminine and the masculine. All nouns in Arabic are either masculine or feminine. So all the names in Arabic, they are either masculine or feminine. They must have a gender. Their gender could be a masculine, it could be a feminine. Feminine nouns and adjectives usually have the ta tanis at the end. So this is the sign of the feminine. They have ta tanis at the end. But there are certain words which don't have this ending. There are certain words, there are the words they don't have ta tanis at the end, but they are the feminine. Students, when learning a new noun, must learn its gender. So before learning the noun, we must know the gender of the noun. Either this gender is a feminine or this gender is a masculine. And this is the another important point. Double member of the body are usually feminine, while the single members of the body, they are masculine. So double parts of the body. So what you want to say? Double parts of the body, they are the feminine, and single part of the body is masculine. There is the example yadun. In our body, we have two hands. So two hands, yadun, it will be feminine. Rijlun, we have two legs in our body. So this is feminine. In our body, we have two eyes. So it is feminine. In our body, we have two ears. So this is also feminine. So these are the feminines. Parts of body are in pair. Parts of body, they are in pair, they are the feminine. Parts of the body, they are single in our body, so they are the masculine. Rasun, we have one head. Anfun, we have one nose in our body. Famun, we have one mouth. Wajhun, we have one face. So all these masculine. The third thing we will learn in this lesson is li. Li is a proposition meaning belong to or for. We have learned the proposition in the last lesson. Now we will learn another proposition, li. This is a proposition and its meaning is belong to or for. This belongs to Bilal and that belongs to Hamid. Haza li Bilalun. Haza li Bilalin. Because li is a proposition, so ending will be majroor. It will be Bilalin. Haza li Bilalin. This belongs to Bilal. Wazarika li Hamidin. Because of the li, this is majroor. Hamidin. And this is, and that belongs to Hamid. Praise belongs to Allah. Alhamdu lillahi. So this li give here kasra. Alhamdu lillahi. All praises belongs to Allah. Note that the word Allah becomes lillah, belonging to Allah, by just dropping the alif. So we will drop the alif, so it will be lillah when we have to put a preposition there. There is no need to add lam to the word. It already have there. So we will not add another lam. We have learned in our last lesson man. Man is constant. Man will be man. Proposition will not change its condition. Liman haza. Who is this? Liman haza. Who is this? Liman nil kitabu. Whose is the book? Whose is the book? Note that the man becomes money when followed by al. So when there is alif lam, man will become money. It will take kasra. Limanil kitabu. If there is no alif lam, then it will be same like man. The fourth thing, number 4, we will learn in this lesson means also. Aidan. Aidan means also. This is beautiful. Haza jamilun. Wazalika aidan jamilun. And that is also beautiful. And the fifth thing we will learn in this lesson is jiddan. Jiddan means very. Haza kabirun jiddan. This is very big. Kabirun very, or kabirun big, jiddan very. This is very big. And this is the vocabulary we will learn in this lesson. Al-anafu, nose. Al-famu, mouth. Al-qidru, cooking pot. This is a feminine word. This is a feminine word. Ear. Al-uzunu. Al-ainu. Al-yad. Al-rajlu. Srihun. Srihun, first. Al-rijlu, leg. Al-yadu, hand. Al-nafizatu, window. Al-sharqu, east. Al-mikwatu, iron. We use for the earning. Al-mikwatu. Al-bakaratu, cow. Ad-darajatu, bicycle. Al-mil'aqatu, spoon. Al falahu farmer, al ummu mother, al abu father, as salajatu fridge, ash-shayu tea, al maghribu west, al qahwatu coffee. So these are the new words we will learn in this lesson. Okay. So who want to read this one? Is there anyone who can translate this one?
Actually, I can try. But if I have problem, you can help me, okay?
Okay.
هذا ابن حامد. This is Hamid's son. وهذه بنت ياسر.
Okay.
And this
we
is
will read like this. These alifs, they are the silent.
هذا.
Yeah, they are the silent. Hazabnu.
هذا ابن.
Hazabnu Hamidin. This is
Hamid.
Hamid's son. Wa
Haji
hadihi bintu
Yasir.
Yasirin.
And this is Yasir's daughter.
Yasir's daughter, yes. Bintu Yasirin. Good. Next.
Ibnu Hamidin Zalisun. Hamid's son is sitting.
Good.
Bintu Yasirin Waqifatun. And Yasir's daughter is standing.
Good.
Man hazihi. Who is this? Hazihi ukhtul muhandisi. This is engineer's sister.
Good.
Ahiya aidan muhandisatun. Is she engineer too? Or is she also engineer? La. Hiya tabibatun. No, she is a doctor.
Good.
Sayyaratu man hadhihi. Whose car is this? Hazihi sayyaratul mudiri. This is principal's car.
Good.
Hazihi. What is this? Hazihi mikwatun. This is iron. Liman hazihi. Who is this? Hazihi li Khalidin. This is
Liman
Khalid.
hadihi, whose is this?
Whose is this?
Liman hadihi,
Hazihi li Khalid. This belongs to Khalid.
who is this?
Whose is this?
Yes.
Whose is this? Liman, the meaning of Liman is whose. Hazihi li Khalidin. This belongs to Khalid.
Good. Yes, continue, please. Sister Samia. Sister Samia.
Hello?
Yes, please continue.
Ad-darrajatu anasin hazihi. Is this Anas cycle? La. Hazihi darrajatu amari. This is Amar cycle. Hazihi.
No. Adarajatu anasin hazihi. what it means?
Is this Anna's cycle?
Is this Anas bicycle? Good.
Okay. La
Is
hazihi
this
darajatu
Ans-
Ammarin. No, this is Ammar's bicycle. Hazihi jadidatun. This
Hazihi
is new.
jadidatun. Good. This is new.
Wa darajatu Anasin kadimatun.
What the rajatu
Anasin
Ansin
kadimatun.
Kadimatun. Ansin.
Ansin kadimatun.
Yes.
And Anna's bicycle is old.
Old.
Hadihi Saatu Aliun. This is Ali's was. Hiya
Hazihi
Jamila
Sa'atu Aliyin.
Aliyan.
Aliyin. This is kasra.
Okay.
This is
Hazihi-
mudaf mudaf ilayh. Sa'atu Aliyin.
Hadihi Saatu Aliyan.
Yes.
This is Ali's was. Hiya Jamilatun Jiddan. It's very beautiful.
Good.
Hazihi mil'akhatun wa hazihi kidrun. This is a spoon and this is a saucepan.
And
Al
it is a
This is-
cooking pot.
cooking pot,
Kidrun
that means
cooking
saucepan and
pot.
cooking pot both are same or no?
Cooking pot.
Al mil'akhatu fil kidri. The spoon is in the cooking pot.
Good.
Hazihi bakaratul fallahi. What's the meaning of fallahi?
Hazihi Bakaratul Falahi.
Fallahi. Fallahi. I don't
Fallahi.
know the meaning of this word.
Farmer.
Farmer. This is farmer's cow.
Cow. This is farmer's cow.
This is farmer's cow. Hada anfun wa hadhihi famun. This is nose and this is mouth.
This is mouth. Haza anfun wa haza famun. This is
This is mouth.
nose and this is okay. Next.
Hazihi uzunun, hazihi ainun. This is ear and this is eye.
Right.
Wa hazihi yadun, wa hazihi rizlun. This is hand and this is leg.
Leg. Good. Okay, so you have to read this one.
Me? Okay.
Haza
Haza
masjidun.
masjidun wa hazihi madrasatun. This is mosque and this is school.
Good.
Man hazihi. What is this? Hazihi uktu
Abbasin. Abbasin.
This is Abbas' sister. Haja dikun wa hazihi dajajatun. This is roaster and this is Haja
खजूर पे ये चने है जी चने
Haja
चने खाओगे
udnun
चने खाओगे
Mudiri wa
अच्छा मैं
bintu
कहा करी
muhandisi. Muhandisi. Haza ibnu mudiri wa hadhihi bintu muhandisin. This is principal's son, and this is teacher's daughter. Hazihi ummu Yasirin. This is Yasir's mother.
हाज़िही इब्नुल हाज़िही उम्मु यासिर. This is Yasir's mom. Good.
Yes, this is Ummu Yasir's mom.
Yes.
Aina kedurul lahami. What is this?
Aina
Kedurul. Aina kedurul lahami.
lahmi.
I don't know the pronunciation of this word.
Idrul lahmi.
Lahami. What is the meaning of lahami?
Idrul lahmi meat.
Meat. Okay. This is meat's cooking pot.
Yes. Aina kidrul lahmi.
Where is cooking? I mean, meat's cooking pot.
Where is
Meat's cooking pot.
meat cooking pot?
Haza babun. This is door. Here is salajatun. It is on the fridge.
It is in the fridge.
Okay, it is in the fridge. Wahazihi nafidatun.
Haza babun.
This is door.
Yes.
Wahazihi nafidatun.
Nafizatun.
That this is window.
And this is window. Good. Okay. We have to use haza and hazihi. Haza,
Haza qalmun.
haza qalamun. Next is
Haza mikwa. Hazihi mikwatun.
hazihi mil'aqatun.
Mil'aqatun. Haza kitabun. Haza kamisun. Haza baitun. Hazihi sa'atun. Hazihi sayyaratun. Haza babun. Next. Hazihi. Actually, I forgot the meaning of lake.
Okay. Hazihi rijlun.
What's the meaning of lake?
Rijlun. Hazihi darajatu.
Darajatun.
Hazihi
Hazihi.
darajatun.
Hazihi darajatun.
Next is hazihi yadun.
Hazihi yadun. Hada amun.
Haza famun.
Hazihi kidrun.
Hazihi kidrun. Yes.
Hazihi. I forgot the meaning of iron.
Mikwatun.
Hazihi mikwatun. Haza kursiyun.
Kursiyun.
Hazihi hakibatun. Oh no, it's this. So, hazihi salajatun.
Hazihi miftahun. Haza miftahun.
Haza miftahun.
Yes.
Haza najmun. Haza najmun.
Next.
Haja masjidun.
Haza
Haza
masjidun.
Haza
Haza
najmun.
Haza najmun. So this one is hazihi salajatun.
Salajatun.
This is
Hazihi
refrigerator.
salajatun. Refrigerator.
Hazihi salajatun.
Salajatun.
So now we have to say Muhammadun talibun, Aminatu talibatun. We have to write here the feminine. Hamidun tabibun, Fatimatu tabibatun. Like this. Huwa muslimun, hiya
Muslimat.
muslimatun. So al-babu mughlaqun, an-nafizatu mughlaqatun, al-mindilu wasikhun, al-yadu wasihatun, ash-shayu harun, al-qahwatu haratun, al-masjidu baidun, al-madrasatu baidatun, at-talibu maridun, at-talibatu maridatun, al-hisanu sarigun, as-sayaratu sari'atun, al-qamaru jamilun, ash-shamsu jamilatun, al-abu jalisun, al-ummu jalisatun. So we will write here feminine. So we have to correct these words. What is wrong in this word? Aqibatu man haza. What is wrong in this word? Aqibatu man haza. Aqibatu is feminine. We will use here feminine. Aqibatu man hazihi. Aqibatu man hazihi. So al-ghurfatu maftuhun. Al-ghurfatu, this is feminine. So al-ghurfatu maftuhatun. Maftuhatun. Haza sayaratu tabibi. Sayaratu is feminine. We will say hazihi sayaratu tabibi. For sayaratu, we will use hazihi. Okay. Next is hazihi miftahu sayarati. Miftah is a masculine. Miftah is masculine. We will use masculine here. Haza miftahu sayarati. Here will be haza. Haza miftahu sayarati. Ainal baqaratu. Where is the cow? Huwa fi shari. Huwa we use for the masculine. Al baqaratu is feminine. We will use hiya fi shari. So we will use here hiya, not huwa. Haza li Muhammadin. This is how we have to read this one. Haza li Muhammadin. Li will give here kasra. It will make majroor. Haza li Muhammadin. This is for Muhammad. Was zalika li Hamidin. And that is for Hamid. So Here will be Muhammadin Hamidin. Liman hazihi. Hazihi li Yasirin. Li Yasirin. Here will be kasra here. Alhamdulillahi. So at the end will be kasra. Alhamdulillahi. Lillahil mashriqi. So mashriqi here will be mashriq. Lillahil mashriqu wal maghribu. Lillahil mashriqu wal maghribu. East and west is for Allah. East and west. East and west belong to Allah.